Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Okay. So introducing Live Good, the first to market membership club in network marketing. Alam nyo, dalawang napakagandang industry yan. Club membership and network marketing. Sa Live Good, pinagsama po yan. A subscription model. Yes, I will discuss that later. Pero isa po yan sa highest and fastest growing industry right now. And this would be the future of commerce. Halos lahat po ng companies ngayon meron ng in a way form of subscription. And ang future pong nakikita ng mga analyst, darating yung time talagang halos lahat ng company magkakaroon na ng subscription. The company that has decided to fix the broken network marketing model. Yes, napakaganda po ng industriya natin. However, sad to say, because of the traditional way, medyo naging broken siya. And we're here to fix that. The membership that pays. And that is Live Good. Kaya dito sa Live Good, lahat po nung sinabi kong what if, magkakatotoo na. Kasi here, because of the membership club business model, wala na po tayong monthly auto ship. Wala na po yan. Hindi na po kayo pupwersahin bumili ng products dito. Order what you want, when you want, and if you want. At ang maganda niyan, you can order that at almost manufacturing price. Napakababa po ng prices natin dito. No chasing of ranks and volume every month. Wala na po yan. Diniscuss ko na rin kanina. No starting from zero every month. Ito po yung kinakatakot ng ibang distributor sa ibang companies. Kasi alam nila, pag nagpalit ng buwan, lahat ng pinagpaguran nila dito ngayong buwan na to, mawawala lahat, and they have to start from scratch, from zero. Tinanggal na po yan because people don't quit. No paying of thousands to get started. Sinabi ko naman, 3,000 lang po. Magkano po yon? What is 3,000? Actually, a pair of shoes can cost you 3,000. Dinner with your family, 3,000. Ganyan po kababa ang 3,000. Ganyan po kababa ang kailangan natin for you to have a global business. Alright? And no more people quitting. Wala na pong nagki-quit dito. Kung meron man, napaka-konti lang po. Iilan lang po. Yung talagang hindi nila nakita yung value na natatanggap nila being a member of Live Good. Alright? So, who are responsible for this disruption? Ayan po, meet the disruptors. Number one, our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Siya po yung nagsalita kanina sa video discussing what Live Good is and paano siya naiba sa company and why you should join Live Good. Napaka-on hand po nito. Lahat po nila sa ating negosyo. You can watch them every month, every week, actually twice a day, twice a week pa nga mo silang mapapanood, discussing and promoting our company. Okay? And what I love about Ben Glinsky, apart from being on hand sa negosyo, is talagang yung puso niya nandun sa mga members. Ang gusto niya talaga tayong mga affiliates ay mag-succeed. Talagang gusto niya, walang naiiwan, lahat nagsasucceed. Di ba ang galing? Dr. Kazan naman is our Director of Network Marketing. He's a legend in the industry. 1998 pa lang po, nagtatrain na yan ng leaders. Imagine, iba sa atin hindi pa pinapanganak si another trainer na. And being a legend, he has seen it all. He has seen the good, the bad, the ugly, and the disgusting. And when they started Live Good, tinanggal niya na po yung bad, ugly, and disgusting, tapos yung good lalo pang in-enhance. Alright? And the couple, Lisa and Dr. Ryan Goodkin, they're in charge of our products. Sila yung product educator and si Ryan naman yung ating product formulator. What I love about Doc Ryan is sinabi niya mismo, I don't formulate product to sell. I formulate product for me to use and for my family to use, which is an advantage for you and me. Kasi alam natin na pag nag-take tayo ng Live Good products, not only if it's of highest quality, it's definitely safe. Kasi hindi po magbibigay ang kahit na sino na magbibigay ng ikasasama ng kanyang pamilya. Right? Look, si Lisa naman, she's a holistic health coach, wellness coach. Talagang not only will she teach us about our products, she will also give us tips and advices on how to be healthy. Mga good healthy habits like good exercise, sleeping habits, and whatnot. Yan po. So these are the people behind the disruption, and these are the people, as you know, as I have discussed, they are leaders of their own field. And you know what they say? They create leaders as well. They create success. All right? So Live Good was launched in December of 2022. Yes, well, kadadaan pa lang. Ay, isang taon pa lang po natin. We're so young. We started in Jupiter, Florida. Andyan po yung ating home base. So if you want to know more about Live Good, bisitahin niyo po yung website ng State of Florida, and there you would find the different registration of Live Good. We have more than 1 million members. It's more than 1,100,000 paid members po yan. Hindi yan yung tipong saling pusa lang. Alright? And that is why they've rocked this industry. So, on the simple term, Live Good has adopted a membership club model. Yun na po yung business model na inadapt natin. Plus, yung compensation whereby you can leverage on people na madadala mo rito, the network marketing company. So let's discuss muna, ano ba yung membership club? So if you're not familiar with that, pakita ko lang yung mga popular membership club dyan. Okay? We have YouTube Pro. Yan. Masyadong popular yan. Imagine, 30 million members na po ang YouTube Pro. And then Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime naman, pwede kang mag-order online dyan. And if you are a member, yun nga lang selected countries lang. If you're a member, you can have your order delivered the same day. Tapos may free delivery ka pa. 161 million members. Bakit? Kasi gusto nila yung value na yon, and they're willing to pay that subscription of $14.99 for that. Okay? Si Netflix, we know Netflix so much. Yan po yung unlimited watching of movies and shows. Hindi rin po libre yan. Members pay $9.99. But they're willing to pay that kasi nga gusto nila yung value na re-receive nila. And Sa dami ng may gusto ng Netflix, they reach over 232 million members already. Sam's Club and Costco para yung discount stores, whereby yung mga members pwedeng maka-access dun sa store nila, dun naman sila makakabili ng mga products nila at wholesale prices. Okay? $100 per year yan or $120 per year yung membership. Imagine, si Sam may 47 million members. Si Costco, 123 million members. Ganyan po karami yung mga members niyan. Disney Prime, para siyang Netflix, pero most concentrated or focused dun sa Disney shows. 42 million members po ang meron ng Disney Prime. Sorry about that. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because yan po yung ating business model na inadapt, membership club. The reason why I'm showing you this kasi yan po yung future natin. Kung namamangha kayo dun sa 1.2 million members, imagine, what if dumating yung time, meron na tayong over 200 million members, over 300 million members, and we will reach that. Kasi lahat ng companies na to hindi nagbabayad sa members nila. Tayo, nagbabayad tayo sa members natin. And will Live Good survive? Definitely. Look at the annual revenues of these companies. $3.6 billion si YouTube. $40.2 billion si Amazon Prime. Netflix, $33.7 billion. Si Sam's, $3.1 billion sa subscription pa lang po yun. Sa membership fee pa lang po yun. Costco, 4.58. Also, sa membership fee pa lang po yun. We're talking of billions of dollars, ha? And Disney Prime, $8.4 billion in 1 year. Now, that's our future as well. And guess what? Live Good is giving out compensation. In fact, kung magkano yung gross na kinikita ni Live Good, more than half, in fact, more than 70% pinabibigay nila sa affiliate members as well. So just imagine dating na yung time whereby Live Good is already earning $40.2 billion and he is returning in form of compensation 70% of that. $30 billion pinamimigay sa mga sa mga affiliate members lang. Imagine that. So you are in the right company already. If you haven't joined us yet, join now. Kasi napakaganda ng napakaganda ng company natin, napakaganda ng pay plan natin, and napakaganda ng products natin. Just to give you an idea, as a member, magkakaroon ka ng access sa online store. And dun sa online store na yon, ngayon makikita mo puro health products. Pero darating yung time talagang madadagdagan pa ng madadagdagan yan. But I'm not talking about ordinary health products. I'm talking about highest quality health products. The purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. Imagine, from ingredients all the way to manufacturing, we don't sacrifice quality. Napakataas ng quality ng products natin. All our products are made in USA, certified by GMP and USDA. Two certifying bodies na napakataas po ng standard. Not all applicants are being approved by these two certifying bodies. Yet tayo, we are certified by both. Lab tested for purity and potency. Hindi po natin kailangan magpa-test, but Live Good, we are having all our products tested by third-party companies just to ensure quality, purity, and safety ng mga iinom, ng mga gagamit ng ating mga products. O di ba ang taas ng quality? And because of that, we can offer a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Halos wala po yatang nag-offer niyan. Pero tayo, we're offering that. And ang maganda, wala pong nagsosoli ng products sa Live Good because of quality. Alright? Coach, kung ganyang kataas ang quality ng products, paano mo nasabing mababa yung prices? Kasi iniisip natin, quality equals high price, right? Well, tinanggal na nga po yan. Because of the business model we are adopting, we have managed to give you all these high-quality products at almost manufacturing price. Kung ayaw nyong maniwala, eto, price comparison, different brands. And I'm not talking about yung mga pipitsugin brands. Ito yung mga brands na ginagamit talaga ng mga ng market. Talagang yan yung binibili sa industry right now. Okay? Yung ating essential oils, we have 6 bottles, 6 different fragrance of essential oils. Compared to those na ibang brand like Young Living and doTERRA, $252, $209 sa kanila yung set of 6. Sa atin, $49.95. Imagine yung savings na matatanggap mo if you're already a user of this of essential oil and you're buying this other brands, mag-shift ka lang sa Live Good eh. Not only do we have better quality products, napakababa nung price, ang laki nung savings. And what can you do with the savings? Pangbayad mo ng bills. Diba? Pandagdag mo sa matrikula ng anak mo. So there you go. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Okay, si collagen natin. Ang maganda nito, yung other brands, ang laman ng collagen nila, collagen lang. Pero yung sa atin, Doc Ryan decided, our genius formulator, Doc Ryan, decided to put 3 more ingredients that complements the effect of collagen in our body. And look at the price, $79.96, $69.95. Sa atin, $27.95 if you're a member. Yan po yung value na marireceive nyo when you become a member of Live Good. High quality products, low prices. Super Greens, nakita nyo sa video kanina, it's all about nutrition. Okay, if you want to be full nutrition dun sa katawan mo, then you really need this. Okay? Yung other brands, $99.99, $69.99. Sa atin, $18. And we are of better quality. Now, if you're more into workout, ito, creatine plus HMB. Other products, $65, $48.99. Sa atin, $19.95. So, are you getting me? When you become a member of Live Good, that's the kind of value you would receive. Alright? Now, meron din tayo, kasi yung products natin, sa sobrang ganda, we're not limiting it to members only. Consumers can actually buy this. Pero they're going to buy it at retail price. At magkaiba po yung retail price natin sa members price. But if you check it out, yung retail price natin mas mababa pa rin compared to other companies. Kaya yung mga gustong mag-retail lang, ayaw mag-member, pero gustong bumili ng product natin, pwede pa rin po. Alright? Let's say, for example, our multivitamins, retail price is $14.95. Pero as member, you only need to pay $9.95. So just think about it. Kung spouses kayo, husband and wife, so you need 1 for men, 1 for women. Okay? Nakatipid ka ng $5 doon sa multivitamins ng asawa mo, tapos $5 sa'yo, that's $10. Covered na yung isang subscription nyo. Right? And then ito, healthy organic weight management coffee with mushrooms. Maganda po yan sa nagpapasexy. Okay, members price is $17.95 pero retail price niya $24.95 lang. What I'm trying to say here is bukod sa baba na nabibili ng ating consumer yung mga products natin, when they become a member, they get to save even more. Okay? Ultra magnesium, napakaganda po niyan. I'll give you a small trivia. Over 300 chemical reactions happening in our body is caused by magnesium. So if there is something wrong with your body, then most likely you lack magnesium in your body. I'm sorry about that. All right. So most likely you lack magnesium in your body. Kaya kailangan po nating lahat to. Retail price, $14.95. Members price, $8.95. Right? Yung CBD oil for pet, para sa mga pet na nagiging anxious. Right? Retail price, $19.95. Members price, $14. By the way, hindi pa po available yan mga CBD products dito sa Philippines. We're just hoping that one day, ma-approve na rin po yung pagpasok niyan dito sa Philippines. D3K2, napakagandang products din po niyan. Kung napansin niyo before, nire-require po ng hospital na tayo ay magpa-araw kasi kailangan natin ng vitamin D talaga. And yung K2 naman po, that's very good kasi ang ginagawa niyan, tinatanggal yung calcium sa bones sa ating bloodstreams or blood vessels, mga veins and arteries natin at nilalagay sa bones. So iniiwasan na yung pagbara ng mga ugat natin, pinapalakas pa yung mga buto natin. Retail price $13.95, members price $8.50. Alright? So ganyan po kababa yung ating mga presyo, mga prices. Pero napakatataas ng quality natin. In fact, I would recommend ito, International Wellness Pack kasi kompleto na po yan. Pero multivitamin, Super Green, Super Reds. Si Super Reds naman, pampatibay ng ating mga ugat. Sino po dito ang ugat? Lahat po tayo may ugat. So lahat po tayo kailangan natin yung Super Reds na yan. Factor 4 naman, anti-inflammatory yan. Sa we know very well na all diseases are rooted from inflammation. Pag yung inflammation na yan or pamamaga na yan, naging chronic or nagtagal, di ba? Sometimes it even leads to fatal diseases. Okay, para maiwasan po natin yan, kailangan natin yung factor 4. D3K2, magnesium, na-discuss ko na kanina. As you can see, everything in this pack, all of the 6 products in this pack, ay kailangan po natin. And it's only for $89.95 when you're a member. At ang maganda po nito, yan lang po yung babayaran nyo kasi ito, free shipping po yan. Alright? So those are some of our products, but if you want to learn more about the products, you just have to go to livegood.com and there you will find a button, shop button, tapos andun po lahat ng products natin. And for every product, merong learn more button. I-click nyo po yun, mababasa nyo po yung everything about our products and how to take them. Alright? Now, we started in 2022, we started with only 15 products. However, through the course of 2023 or over 1 year, nagdagdag na po tayo ng mga produkto. Padami na po ng padami yung products natin. Imagine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products yung nadagdag sa ating portfolio. And all of these products talagang went through research and development talaga. Pinag-aralan po talaga ng gusto yan. Tapos ito yung ating essential oil na launch na rin po yan. And yung latest na nilaunch natin, mainit-init pa, yung ating Whey Isolate Protein. Napakaganda rin po na, napaka-pure po niya. Okay? So, as you see, padagdag lang po ng padagdag ng products doon sa ating portfolio. Because time will come, we will be a super sales store. Ayan po yung mga coming products natin, household products, vitamins for children, detox products, weight loss products. Ang dami pong nag-iimpay niyan. Kasi ang idea po ni Live Good, we're starting with health products right now kasi yun yung kailangan ng mga tao. But time will come, madadagdagan lang po ng madadagdagan ng mga produkto yung ating online store. And time will come, mapupuno na po yan ng lahat ng kailangan natin, pangangailangan natin. Like cosmetics, ano pa ba yan? Nabanggit ko na gadgets. Meron tayo ng gadgets. Even travel. Pwede tayo magkaroon ng travel. And much, much more. Gusto po kasi ni Live Good maging Amazon of the network marketing industry. Alright? At ang kagandahan nito, we are available in more than 200 countries. What does that mean? That means you have a global business. And kahit nasan ka sa mundo, pwede pong i-deliver yung products natin. Alright? So how do you order? Simple lang po. You can order as a consumer and pay the retail price, or you become a member and pay the member's price. You save even more. Alright? Now, as a member, you get to save up to actually more than 75% compared to products of other network marketing companies. You see, yan yung binabago natin talaga. Kasi sa ibang company talagang gina-jack up nila yung mga prices nila Because that's where they'll get the expenses, yung pambayad nila sa mga top earners nila. Dito po, we've adapted a different model, the membership club model. At doon na po natin kukunin. That's the reason why we can actually give the health products at a very low price. Alright? So how do you become a member? Simply lang po. I'm sure that somebody gave you the Zoom link, kaya kayo nandito ngayon. So ask for their sponsors link. You register there with your name and email at pwede nyo na rin kung doon na rin magbayad. Kasi you need to pay the $9.95 subscription or that's our membership fee. Monthly po yan. Pero kung gusto nyo makatipid, pay $99.95. That will cover you for 12 months. Nakatipid kayo ng another 2 months. Alright? Now, once you become a member, you can buy products at wholesale price or member's price. Mas lalo kayong makakatipid. Alright? Now, that's not it. That's actually the end of the product presentation or the membership club presentation. However, meron po tayong additional way of earning dito. Kasi nung discuss ko, puro discounts yan eh. Yes, I know that a dollar saved is a dollar earned. However, how would you like to earn more than that? In fact, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Sabi ko, di ba? Live Good is the membership club that pays. And ito na po yun. Ito na i-discuss ko. I'm going to talk about the compensation of Live Good. But before that, let me show you how to become an affiliate member. Kasi po, to be able to do that, to be able to earn from Live Good, kailangan nyo pong mag-join dun sa ating affiliate program. Yun yung tinatawag natin. Ano ba yung affiliate program na yan? Okay, let me discuss that later. But for now, to become an affiliate program, to become part of the affiliate program, you just need to pay a one-time fee of $40 plus your monthly subscription of $9.95. So that's a total of $49.95. Yan yung nabanggit ko kaninang wala pa pong 3,000. Now, since one-time fee lang po yung $40, the following month, ang babayaran nyo na lang would be the subscription of $9.95. And you will become part of the affiliate program. By the way, kung gusto nyo makatipid, bayaran nyo yung subscription na $99.95 plus the $40 one-time fee, $139.95. You're covered for 1 year. Actually, yan po yung nire-recommend namin para wala na kayong isipin pa na monthly subscription, right? Then you'll be part of the affiliate program. You will become an affiliate member. So ano po ba yung affiliate members, affiliate marketing na yan? Here's how it goes. Si Live Good po kasi, being a direct selling or direct to consumers business, hindi po yan nag-a-advertise, not on TV, not on radio, not on movie, not on billboards, not even on the internet. Okay? Pero kailangan siya malaman ng maraming tao. Doon po siya umaasa sa mga affiliate members through word of mouth. Tayo po yung magpo-promote kay Live Good sa mga kakilala natin. Kaibigan, kamag-anak, ka-churchmate, ka-workmate, lahat po ng kakilala natin, ipo-promote natin si Live Good. Even yung mga hindi natin kakilala. Alright? And when we successfully refer people to the program na maging affiliate member then like you and me, dun po tayo mag-i-start kumita. Okay? So simply put lang po, affiliate marketing. First you join by paying the $49.95 and then you promote. Paano mag-promote? It doesn't have to be formal. Pwede pong kwentuhan yan. Ikakwento nyo lang po sa kaibigan nyo kung ano yung benefit na natatanggap nyo being a Live Good member. Both for your health as well as for your wealth. Diba? And when you successfully refer people to the program, you start earning. Ganyan lang po kasimple yan. So how do you become an affiliate member? Nasabi ko na po kanina. Oh, by the way, as an affiliate member, you get to have an access to the membership club kasi nagbayad kayo ng membership fee. So you get to have access to the online store whereby makukuha niyo yung mga highest quality physician-grade health products at the lowest possible prices. That's your value. That's the value you receive as a member. And then you get the digital marketing products. Bakit? Kasi alam ni LiveGood na ipopromote mo yung company sa mga friends mo. So bibigyan kanya ng mga tools. Okay, and then you get to participate in the most exciting and most generous compensation plan na i-discuss ko later. Okay, so how do you get paid? You get paid via direct deposit, iPayout, or BitPay. Or meron tayong tinatawag na credit wallet. Pwede nyo pong tanungin doon sa person na nagbigay sa inyo ng Zoom link or nagturo sa inyo about LiveGood kung paano po yan. Alright? Now, I want to show you the different digital marketing products that you will receive. Yung sinabi kong i-equip pa to do that. One, you'll have a business site. livegood.com/your username. Excuse me. Diyan po natin makikita kung ano man yung nagaganap sa loob ng ating negosyo, pag ninegosyo sa LiveGood. Diyan mo makikita yung mga successfully na refer mo, yung mga successfully na refer nung na-refer mo, yung mga successfully na refer nung na-refer nung na-refer mo. Kasi nga nabanggit ko, meron tayong leverage dito whereby you get to earn also from the effort of the people you bring in the business. Alright? Diyan nyo rin po makikita yung inyong earnings. Kung magkano yung kinita mo for the week, kung magkano yung kinita mo for the month. And don't worry, this is username and password protected. So talagang kayo lang ang nakakaalam ng username password mo, so kayo lang ang may access niyan. And then what else? Nabanggit ko kanina yung sponsor link. Ito po yun, livegoodtour.com/your username. Ang tawag po namin dyan, yung Powerline landing page. Diyan po ang bubungad sa kanila yung video ni Ben Glinsky explaining what LiveGood is. This is a very powerful tool. You wish to become partner with dito sa yung gusto mo maging affiliate members din. Yan yung ibibigay mo sa kanila. And sometimes, diyan pa lang nagko-close na po yung deal. Tuloy-tuloy na po silang nagre-register, tuloy-tuloy na rin silang nagbabayad at nagiging affiliate members nyo na. Alright? And then meron tayong shoplivegood.com/your username. Ito naman po, yan yung ibibigay nyo dun sa mga gustong bumili ng products at retail. Ayaw nila mag-members pero gusto nila yung products and willing sila to pay retail price. Yan lang po, para siyang para siyang Shopee and Lazada. It's an online shop pero lahat ng produkto po ng LiveGood lang ang makikita dyan and it's personalized to you. Makikita kung sino yung pinagbigyan mo niyang link na yan, makikita yung pangalan mo. Diyan sila mag-shopping. Ang maganda nito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-keep ng inventory kasi diyan sila mag-place ng order, diyan sila magbabayad. Si LiveGood na mag-aasikaso, si LiveGood ang magpapack, si LiveGood ang mag-ship at matatanggap ng customer mo yung produkto nila. Ikaw, maghihintay ka na lang ng commission mo. Yes, kasi meron din po tayong earnings through retail sales. Originally, yan lang po yung available na website. However, as time goes, 1 taon na nga po yung nakalipas, meron na pong mga nadagdag. Meron na pong nadagdag na mga product website like the Super Reds and Super Greens. Ito naman po dun sa mga product users. You can actually use this. You can send this link to them tapos makikita nila how high the quality of our products and how low the prices are. Diyan na po sila sasali sa akin. Alright? And I'm sure na padagdag pa ng padagdag yan. And ang maganda nito, hindi na po madadagdagan yung $40 na binayad natin. Kasi nga, one-time fee lang yun. Alright, now let's talk about the compensation plan. Kung meron kayong distraction kanina, tanggalin nyo na po muna and I want all ears and eyes, all ears on me and eyes on the screen kasi importante po to. Pag-uusapan na natin kung paano kumita sa LiveGood. Alright, so to continue. Now, to better understand how we will be paid here, you have to remember dalawang structure, the unilevel structure and the forced matrix structure. Sa unilevel, remember sinabi ko sa affiliate member, you will refer LiveGood to your friends. So lahat ng taong successfully marirefer mo would fall on your level 1, directly under you. Okay? Ngayon, lahat ng taong marirefer na refer mo, they would fall on your level 2. lahat ng marerefer nung na-refer mo, they would fall on your level 3. And so on and so forth until it reach level 10. Why level 10? Because we get to be paid up to 10 levels deep depending on our rank. Okay, tandaan niyo po yan, structure na yan. And ang maganda pa nito, hindi po kayo pipigilan as to the number of referrals you make. You can refer as many as you want to be part of Live Good. Gusto mo magkaroon ng 100 people in your team? Fine. Refer Live Good to 100 people or even more. Gusto mong 1,000? Pwede rin po. In fact, meron tayong mga members or mga leaders na lumalagpas na ng 1,000 yung kanilang mga direct referrals. Alright? So that's one structure. Another structure that you have to think about is the force matrix structure or the 2x15 matrix. Paano naman po yan? Okay. Lahat tayo na magiging affiliate member dito, we would have our own matrix. And we will become part of a bigger matrix, meaning may mga tao pa sa taas natin. Now, in our matrix, this is system assigned, so hindi natin alam kung sino yung mapupunta sa ilalim ng matrix natin, provided na galing siya sa atin or galing dun sa mga nasa taas natin. Anyway, every person dito makakabit lang 2 tao. Yun yung maximum width ng ating matrix, 2 tao. Alright? And then, after that, yung susunod, that's your level 1. Yung level 2 mo ngayon, yung 2 taong nakabit sa'yo, yun naman yung kakabitan ng Tagalawa. That's your level 2. Bali, 4 sila, di ba? Yung 4 na nakabit doon sa 2 nakabit sa'yo, yun naman, yun yung level 4 mo, whereby sila kakabitan ng, your level 3, whereby sila kakabitan ng Tagalawa rin. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, all the way up to level 15. Alright? Now, saan man gagaling yung mga taong mapupunta sa matrix ko? So remember, sinabi ko kanina, you can invite as many people or you can refer as many people as you want. Pero since 2 lang yung makakabit sa'yo, ano mangyayari dun sa iba? Makakabit na yan dun sa mga taong nakabit sa'yo. Ang tawag dyan, spillover mo sa kanila yan. Alright? And since there are people on top of you, there is a chance na ikaw din makatanggap ng spillover from them if they're continuously doing the business. Alright? Is that sa'yo, pwede siyang magaling sa nasa taas mo, or yung mga taong nakapit sa'yo, they decided to do the business, lahat ng maipapasok nila, they will still form your matrix. Right? So yan po, 2x15, 15 levels deep kasi we get to be paid up to level 15 depending on our rank. Bakit importante itong 2 structure na to? Kasi we have 8 ways to earn here in Live Good. Meron tayong weekly fast start, retail commission, customer acquisition bonus. O yan po, ang binabasihan dyan yung ating unilevel structure. We also have the matrix commission. Ang binabasihan naman dyan, yung ating force matrix structure. Tapos if you notice, meron nasa gitna, matching bonuses. Pakinggan nyo nga pala po yan pag diniscuss ko na kasi yan po yung way to earn talagang magpapayaman sa'yo. Si matching bonus kasi parang hybrid yan, kino-combine yung unilevel pati yung force matrix. And then we still have other ways to earn like influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. Iisa-isahin ko po yan ngayon i-discuss. First, let's start with the fast start bonuses or what we call the quick money. Bakit siya quick money? Kasi unang-una napakasimple niyang ma-earn and at the same time napakabilis niyang matanggap. Paano ba yan? Remember, magre-refer kayo ng tao. Una, ikaw. When you become an affiliate member, ano yung unang gagawin mo? You pay or you join. How do you join? You pay $49.95. And then you start promoting the business. And then when you successfully promote people in the affiliate program, they would also pay $49.95. Okay, bibigyan ka ni Live Good ng $25 for every person na maipapasok mo doon sa program. Alright, so just think about it. Magkaroon ka lang ng 2, di ba? You paid $49.95. nagkaroon ka ng dalawa, $25 plus $25, that's a total of $50. Bawi na kagad yung nailabas mong $49.95. In this example, nakakuha siya ng 4. So 25 times 4, $100 yung kanyang fast start bonus. And bakit quick money? Kasi matatanggap to the following week. Like right now, kaka-cut off lang po natin. Kaya nga bungad ko kanina, happy payday, di ba? Kaka-cut off lang po natin. So lahat po ng mag-join sa inyo ngayon hanggang mag-cut off uli, lahat yon bibilangin at yung $25 na matatanggap nyo yan the following Thursday or the following cut off. Ganyan po siya kabilis. Alright? Now, hindi pa po nagtatapos dyan. Kasi sabi ko nga dito, you get to leverage on the effort of the people you bring in the business. Ano yan? So meron tayong levels, di ba? Yung na-refer mo, level 1 mo yun. Yung na-refer mo, level 2. Yung na-refer mo, level 3. So why is that important? Unang-una, if you are promoted to bronze, you get to enjoy up to level 2. Hindi lang yung mga direct mo, pati yung directs ng mga na direct mo, meron ka pa rin kita. Paano naman maging bronze? Simple lang po. Kumuha ka lang ng dalawa. Magkaroon ka lang ng dalawang successful referral dito sa Live Good, promoted ka na to bronze. Ganyan lang po kadali yan. At kung ganyan siya kadali, mas simple na rin po yung pag-rank up. Medyo may konting dagdag na requirements pero very simple lang po mag-rank up dito sa Live Good. In fact, in as short as 1 year, umabot na po tayo ng over 100. Yun po yung highest rank. Actually, the highest rank is Crown Diamond. Okay? Pero nila yung ganong position. Nag-silver ka, you get to enjoy up to level 3 and 4. Pag nag-gold ka, levels 5 and 6. Pag nag-platinum ka, level 7 and 8. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to levels 9 and 10. Hindi nyo nakilala, pero kumikita ka pa. Hindi ka na nagtrabaho, but since you enjoy up to 10 levels deep, minsan, bigla na lang magugulat ka, may pumasok na income sa'yo. Alright? So, ganyan po kaganda yan. Kaya ang recommendation dito, you rank up. How do you rank up? You get people to join you in your organization. Alright? And all of that is coming from a global business worth $49.95. So, wala pa pong 3,000. At magkano yung monthly natin? $9.95 lang. Hindi natin kailangan bumili ng sandamukal na produkto worth 45,000 pesos. Magkano yung $9.95? It's only 585 pesos. Wala pa pong 600 pesos. Makatipid ka lang ng 20 pesos a day, covered na yung subscription mo. Alright, so that's our fast start bonus. Our next way to earn would be our matrix commission. Dito naman, ang gagamitin natin yung ating force matrix structure. Okay? Ano naman yan? Sabi dito, for every person na malalagay sa matrix mo, you will receive 25 cents. So, di ba power of 2 yan? 2, 4, 8, 16. So, halimbawa, napuno na yung level 1 mo, may dalawa na. 25 cents times 2, may 50 cents ka. Eh, kung napuno na yung susunod mo, that's 25 cents times 6, may $1.50 ka na. And padagdag lang ng padagdag yan. Tsaka sabi ko kanino nanggagaling yung mga tao na nasa matrix mo? Pinakamagandang panggalingan yan, ikaw, yung mga na-direct mo. Tsaka yung mga na-direct nila, they would still form part of your matrix. Or pwede ring manggaling sa mga nasa taas mo na spill over sa'yo. Kasi meron tayo ditong auto spill over. Kaya nga if you're new in this industry, this is your first rodeo, first time na mag-join sa ganito, tapos hindi ka pa masyadong nakapag-enroll or nakapag-sponsor ng tao, don't worry kasi kikita at kikita ka pa rin dito. Alright? Pero I'm telling you, part of your job talaga is to bring people in. However, in the event na nagtagal, umabot ka ng 2 years, hindi ka nakapag-join ng tao, meron tayong auto spillover na tinatawag, whereby pwede ka pa rin kumita kahit hindi ka man nakapag-refer ng tao. Ano yon? Diba, when you joined here at hindi ka pa nakakapag-refer ng 2 tao, you're still unranked. Sabi ni LiveGood, on your matrix commission, you will be paid up to 12 levels deep. Ilang tao yung 12 levels deep na yan? Pag tinotal mo yung 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 1, 2, 8, and so on, maabot po ng 8,190 people yan in your matrix. Times 25 cents, dyan po kinukuha yung $1,047.50 na ibibigay sa mga unranked or those na hindi pa nakapag-refer ng kahit isa dito sa LiveGood. Alright? Now, this is important kasi hindi mo kailangan punuin yung matrix mo to start earning your matrix commission. In fact, magkaroon lang ng isa dyan, bibigyan ka ng 25 cents. 2, 50 cents. 4, $1. Pag naka-40 ka dyan, ang matrix commission mo, $10 na. Eh magkano yung monthly subscription mo? $9.95 lang. So covered na. The moment na umabot ng 40 yung mga tao sa matrix mo, covered na yung subscription mo. Alright? Pero bakit ka papayag na hindi makapag-refer ng tao dito? Eh napakasimple na nga. Unang-una, napakababa ng joining, 3,000 lang. Diba? So refer people. Don't just refer 2. Kasi pag nag-refer ka ng 2, hanggang bronze ka na lang. Refer more. Refer more. Para umakyat ka all down to diamond. Bakit? Maximum na yung 2,047.50. Pag naging bronze or silver ka, you get to enjoy up to level 13. Aabot na ng 4,095.50 yung iyong maximum matrix commission. Pag nag-gold or platinum ka, you get to enjoy up to level 14. That's 8,191.50. The maximum matrix commission you would receive. Pag nag-diamond ka, ikaw lang ang mag-enjoy up to level 15, which is 16,383.50. Full matrix of a diamond. That's your maximum matrix commission as diamond. That's 900,000 pesos. Monthly income po yan. Kasi dito, tuloy-tuloy lang nagbabayad yung mga subscribers, yung mga members. Bakit? Kasi may value silang natatanggap. Value on their health, value on their wealth. And all of that from a $49.95 business. And it's global. You can actually form a team here in the Philippines. Kaya nga itong Zoom natin, international. Meron tayong kausap sa Canada, sa US. Di ba? Even in the Middle East. Ang dami natin kausap sa mga Middle East and Southeast Asian countries. Alright. Now, kung medyo namangha kayo dyan, itong susunod na i-discuss ko, ito yung mga pinakamalalaking kitaan dito. Kaya nga ang tawag namin dito, wealthy money or the matching bonus. Sabi dito, matching bonus, kasi ganito yan. Every time na makakapag-refer tayo ng tao dito, they would fall on our level 1, right? Sila magkakaroon ng sarili nilang matrix. Therefore, sila magkakaroon din ng sarili nilang matrix income. Alright? Now, since ikaw yung nakapagdala sa kanila dito, whatever their matrix income is, ima-match ni LiveGood yan 50% at ibibigay sa'yo as matching bonus. Okay? Did you get me? Okay, let's say for example, ikaw yan, gulat na gulat ka kasi nakakuha ka ng 10 directs, tapos yung 10 directs mo, they started earning on their matrix. Isa-isa na silang nagkaroon ng mga matrix income nila. Kaya ka gulat na gulat kasi si LiveGood minamatch 50% kung magkano yung matrix income nila, binibigyan ka 50%. Okay, tapos nung tinotal mo, magkano yung natanggap mo for 1 month. By the way, monthly mo marireceive to. In 1 month, because you had 10 directs, each earning different matrix incomes, umabot ng 3,580 yung iyong matrix income. At hindi pa doon nagtatapos yan kasi since nakapag 10 directs ka, most likely nag-rank up ka na. And kung yan 10 directs na yan, they're doing the business as well, most probably, umabot ka na rin ng diamond rank. Kasi if you rank up, you get to enjoy mga generation bonuses. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Yung direct mo, you get 50%. right? Yung generation bonuses mo is a matching bonus on their directs. Dun sa mga taong nakuha nila, nagle-leverage ka pa rin. That is when you rank up. Nagsisimula yan sa silver. You get to enjoy up to second generation, 10% each. Pag nag-gold ka, you get to enjoy up to third generation, 5% each. Pag nag-platinum ka, you get to enjoy up to fourth generation, 5% pa rin. Pero pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to the fifth generation diamond, 3% each. That means may matching bonus ka na sa mga direct mo, may matching bonus ka pa sa mga directs nila, may matching bonus ka pa sa mga directs nila, and so on and so forth until you reach 5 generation deep. Alright? Ganyan po kalaki yung matching bonus. In fact, just to show you, just for comparison's sake, I want you to compare kung magkano yung matrix income as compared dun sa matching income. Nitong papakita kong this is actually an actual pay received by one of our coaches. I'll show this to you, not to brag or to hype you. I'm just showing this to you para rin sabihin sa iyo na kung kinita ng isang affiliate, since kakayanin mo rin kitain. Alright? Take particular attention dun sa kanyang matrix bonus tsaka sa kanyang matching income. Matrix income is only 1,299. It's big. I know, it's big. It's more than 60,000 pesos, di ba? And that's only from for the month of July. Mag-iisang taon na. So definitely lumaki pa yan. Pero I want you to check the matching bonus. $44,810. 44 times more than the matrix income. Bakit? Siguro maraming direktong taong to. In fact, umabot na siya ng Crown Diamond kasi tignan mo yung Diamond bonus pool niya. Umabot na ng 24,000. Hindi ko pa na-discuss, meron na siya. Di ba? Kaya nga yung total income niya for that month, umabot ng 70,000. Pero ang pinakamalaki talaga yung matching bonus. Kasi yan talaga yung wealthy money. Alright? So let's continue. Meron kasi tayong other ways to earn pa dito, like the retail commission 10 levels deep. Si retail commission naman, remember sinabi ko kanina, meron tayong retail price and members price. Pag kinuha mo yung difference nun, 50% ibibigay sa'yo kung may bibili dun sa retail store mo. Yung shoplivgood.com/your username. Alright? So let's say for example, the retail price is $20. Tapos yung members price is only $12. Diba? So may difference na $8. Ano yung 50% nun? $4. That's your retail commission. Alright? And you get to enjoy it up to 10 levels depending on your rank. Ganun din. Kung yung mga nadala mo rito, sila yung nagbebenta using their shoplivgood.com site, meron ka pa rin kita, provided na talagang nag-rank up ka, you got promoted to higher ranks. Okay, meron din tayong influencer bonus na tinatawag. Kung medyo sikat ka na sa YouTube or sa TikTok, and then you have followers already, encourage them to buy from your retail store or your online store. Bakit? Kasi as your total retail sale for the month increases, umi-increase din yung 50%. Imagine, pag nag-2,500 yan plus 10, so magiging 60 na. Pag nag-5,000 plus 20, magiging 70 na. Pag umabot ka ng 50,000, ibibigay na sa'yo yung buong difference. Kasi yung 50% mo plus 50% pa, a total of 100% can be given to you. Okay? Kaya maganda rin po yan, influencer bonus. Ito bago lang to, customer acquisition bonuses. Ano naman yan? Remember, member ka na, pag nakapag-refer ka rin dito, magiging member na rin siya. So you get to enjoy both members price. Okay? However, dapat wala ka nang kita doon eh. However, sa sobrang generous ni LiveGood, they decided to give yung very first order ng taong nadala mo rito, bibigyan ka pa ng tinatawag na customer acquisition bonus. Kahit nabili niya yung product at members price, meron ka pa rin customer acquisition bonus. Alright? Ano yan? By the way, it's only up to $300 worth. Tapos, first time lang yan, yung first time niyang pagbili, that's the only time you would receive your customer acquisition bonus. Alright? So 10% ng total na binili niya. Let's say 3,000, let's say 300 yung nabili niya. 10% of that is $30. Mapupunta ba sa iyo yung $30? Hindi po. Kasi yung $30, paghahati-hatian 10 levels deep, you get 50% though. You get $15. Tapos yung level 2, 10% naman, and so on and so forth. Alright? Pero ang maganda niyan, they're giving away 10% kahit they're getting it, kahit the member is already getting it at member's price. Napakababa na nga nung selling na ginawa nila. Nagbibigay pa rin siya ng komisyon. Alright, the next way to earn is one of my favorite, the piece of the pie money. Bakit ko favorite yan? Because this is a passive income. Wala ka nang kinalaman dito, yet you get to receive income. Kasi income na to ng company eh. Ano yung piece of the pie bonus? Ayan, piece of the pie money. Ang tawag po dyan, the diamond bonus pool. Kasi all diamonds, ang kwento dyan, 2% of the total sales from all membership and product sales is divided equally among all diamonds. Alright? So paghahatian, once you become a diamond, para ka nang naging shareholder ng company. Kasi meron kang share sa profit ng company monthly. Monthly yung iba nagbibigay ng ganito pero yearly. Dito monthly makakatanggap lahat ng diamond. So let's say for example, the total monthly sales of the company is 15 million. Pwede ba yun? Yes. 1,100,000 members na tayo, each paying $10. That's already 11 million. On the average, we're getting like 100,000 new members, each paying $40 first time o yung one-time fee. That's 4 million already. 15 million na kagad yun, wala pa yung product sales. Diba? So let's say 15 million for computation purpose. 15 million tapos 2% of that is 300,000. Let's say for that pay period, 60 diamonds naghati-hati doon sa 2% na yan. Each diamond would receive $5,000. At ang projection ni Ben Glinsky, ito, in-announce niya na. Ang projection ni Ben Glinsky, in 5 years, in 2 to 5 years, time will come. Each diamond will receive no less than $10,000 diamond bonus pool. Kasi palalakihin niya talaga yung customer base, palalakihin niya yung sales ng mga products, palalakihin niya yung subscription. Alright? Talagang we are in the best position right now to join the company. Alright. Hindi pa nagtatapos yan dyan. Kasi right now, we already have 2 crown diamonds in the world. Isang nasa US, si Tim Miller. Isang nandito sa Philippines, ang ating coach Fernan Santiago. 2 lang po sila. So what's important for being a crown diamond? Kasi si crown diamond gets to receive the rich and famous money or the crown diamond bonus pool. Ano naman yan? Bukod doon sa 2%, kasali pa rin sila doon sa 2% ng mga diamond eh. Pero pa silang additional na 0.5%. Alright, paghahatian nilang 2 lang kasi dadalawa pa lang silang crown diamond. So again, back to our example, 15 million yung sales. 0.5% is $75,000 divided by 2, $37,500 each. Ganyan po kalaki ang kinikita ng ating mga diamond at ating mga crown diamond. Pero I'm telling you this, etong maganda. Lahat ng diamonds natin, yung 2 crown diamonds natin, they all started as affiliate members, just like you and me. So nasa equal footing po tayo. Whatever opportunity they got, meron na rin po tayo. All we need to do is work hard, invite more people, do the business right, and we will eventually reach the position of crown diamond. And when we do that, eto na po, kasali na po tayo dito sa profit sharing na to. Alright? At this point, I want to show you another income, actual income. Again, not to hype you, but to show you that kung kaya itong kitain ng isang tao, kakayanin mo rin pong kitain being an affiliate member. Kasi nga, nabanggit ko kanina, we are already on equal footing. Alright, 3 months income. If you check it, this is March, April, and May. Okay, 1 year ago na to. Umabot po yung 3 months income ng isang affiliate member ng $36,500. So it's like saying this affiliate member is receiving $12,000 monthly. Sa kanyang monthly income pa lang, hindi ko pa pinakita yung weekly income niya. Since tinagawa niya yung business, since marami siyang ini-enroll dito, then definitely malaki rin yung kanyang weekly income. Alright, the reason I'm showing you this is because if you're already an affiliate member, then you have the same opportunity as this coach. If he is receiving $36,500 in 3 months, then most likely you can do the same. Gawin nyo lang yung ginawa niya. Alright, gawin lang natin. And if you're not a member yet, then think twice. Kasi this is only $49.95. Yet look at the earnings, $36,500 in 3 months. Diba ang laki? Ang liit na business para sa malaking income potential. Alright, so what's your benefits? What are the benefits you will receive as in Live Good? Unang-una, it's a business for $49.95. Kanina ko pa pinapaulit-ulit just to let you know that this is only a 3,000 pesos business. Alright? No start pack. You don't need to buy sandamukal na produkto just to start with this. No mandatory purchases. Wala na po yan mga auto ship na yan. Tapos yung pay weekly and monthly. Weekly and monthly. Yung mga trabaho, fortnightly lang or every quincenas katapusan. Dito, weekly, pwede kang tumanggap if you're doing the business. And apart from your weekly income, may monthly income ka pa. Alright? And when you become diamond or crown diamond, meron ka pang extra diamond bonus pool. All our products are of highest quality yet at the lowest possible prices. Tapos yung monthly membership program natin, $9.95. Wala pa pong 20 pesos a day yan. Alright? And we are global. Yun ang maganda. We can operate anywhere in the world. We can receive both active and passive income with the 7 income source. Actually, 8 income source na kasi. Diba? Nakita niyo naman. So, question, where will your $49.95 take you? Mas gusto mo bang gastusin yung 3,000 mo sa pagbili ng sapatos or sa pagkain ng dinner? Or would you like to put it in Live Good? Kasi if you join Live Good now, laki ng potential na naghihintay sa'yo. Let me show you. Kasi I always teach this strategy sa team ko. The power of 5. Imagine na $49.95 yung iyong puhunan or your business cost $49.95. Here, you get 5 people. The moment you join, look for your 5 leaders. Kasi the moment you get your 5 leaders, unang-una, you would receive $25 each. That's $100.25 at $125. Diba? What will you do with your $125? Ibayad mo na pang 1-year subscription mo para covered ka na for 1 year. And then continue doing that. By the way, naging bronze ka yan kasi nga makadalawa ka lang, bronze ka na, di ba? And then what do you do? Yung 5 people na yan, turuan mo, kumuha rin ng tagli-5. If that happens, level 2 mo yan, 25 yun na dagdag sa'yo. Magkano yan? Meron kang $5 each, $125 yan. Silver ka na yan. Tapos yung 25, kakuhain mo ng tagli-5, may 125 na nadagdag, 250 each, that's $312.50. Gold ka na. And so on and so forth. Halimbawa, itong cycle na to, every month nangyayari. Meaning on your first month, nakakuha ka ng 5. On your second month, yung 5 mo, nakakuha ng tag-5. On the third month, yung 25, nakakuha ng tag-5, and so on. So, weekly, meron kang kinikita. Meron kang kinikitang fast start bonus, or I'm talking about the fast start bonus alone, ha? Yan yung kikitain mo. Pag tinotal mo yan, that's $22,437.50 or 1.3 million pesos. Fast start income alone from a $49.95 business. Tapos yung tao sa matrix mo, 19,500 people na. Diba? Eh since diamond ka na, you get to enjoy up to level 10. So tuloy na natin. Pag tinuloy-tuloy mo yan, up to level 10. Yung fast start income mo alone is 6,155,250. Kung monthly nangyayari to, in 10 months, natanggap mo yung income na yan. Kung every 2 months, in 20 months, wala pa pong 2 taon, natanggap mo yung income na yan. That's 357 million pesos. Ganyan po kalaki ang potential ng iyong $49.95 business with 20 pesos a day subscription. Okay, so that's your weekly fast start commission. What about your matrix? Di ba sabi ko diamond ka na? So you get to enjoy up to level 15. Pag napuno yung matrix mo, on the 7th cycle pa lang, puno na yung matrix mo, yan na yung kinikita mo, 50,000 pesos monthly matrix bonus allowed. Okay? Eh si matching mo, nakita nyo yung compensation plan, napaka-generous. And all of this for only $49.95. Kay Generation 1 mo, yan yung direct mo, may 50% ka. Let's say for example, kumikita na ng $500 na lang yung kanyang matrix. So may $1,250 ka. Si Generation 2, 25. $400 na lang kunyari yung matrix niya, may 1,000 ka pa rin. Generation 3, I'm talking about the generation bonuses na. Yung 125 people, kumikita na lang ng $300. Kita nyo yung, hindi ko pa sinagad yung matrix income na yan, ha? 500, 400, 300. Pababa pa. Generation 4, 200. Generation 5, kunyari, $100 na lang yung kinita. As diamond, you get to enjoy up to Generation 5. May 3% ka pa. Yan na yung kinita mong matching bonuses. And since tuloy-tuloy yan, they'll continuously pay for their subscription monthly. Ito na yung monthly matching income. And it continuously grow. $19,750 or 1.1 million pesos monthly matching bonus. And all of that from a business of $49.95 or 20 pesos a day. So where will your $45.95 take you? Ayan po. Yan yung potential income na naghihintay sa'yo. This can be done in 6 months, 7 months. Or gawin na nating 1 year. 2,852,000 in 1 year. All of that from $49.95 or 20 pesos a day. Okay? Kaya po, for those who are guests here, I'm telling you, join Live Good now. Become an affiliate member now. And grab this income. Potential pa lang yan, pero time will come and it will be a reality. In fact, meron na pong tumatanggap ng ganyang income ngayon. At since nangyari na sa kanila, mangyayari rin po sa ating mga affiliates. Okay? I'll give you top 5 reason to join. We just officially launched December of 2022. Batang-bata pa po si Live Good. Highest quality, very affordable prices. And then marketing system, tools, and trainings. Yes, ito po. Itong Zoom meeting na to, this is one of the tools you can actually use and abuse. Padala lang kayo ng tao dito, invite your people, bring them here. Ako magpe-present, ako magko-close. Pero yung account sa'yo. Okay, simple, powerful, very lucrative, and very generous pay plan. Nakita nyo naman kanina yung power, yung ating potential income for the $49.95 business. And then you get to surround yourself with successful, fun, and winning team. And all of these people will become your friends as well. Imagine being surrounded by successful people. You yourself would enjoy success. All right? So as we speak, we already have more than 1.2 million paid members. And ang projection natin by the end of 2024, aabot tayo ng 3 to 5 million paid members. And in 3 to 5 years, aabot tayo ng more than 10 million members. At palaki lang po ng palaki ang Live Good. Okay? Kaya huwag kayong mamangha dyan. Napakaliit pa po niyan compared sa future natin. Because in the future, we will have over 200 million members. Kasi yung mga hindi nga nagbabayad, umabot ng ganyang karami, tayo pa. Diba? So want something different in your life? Let's get started today. Join Live Good because Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. But I'll be giving you 3 options. Kasi ikaw pa rin na magdi-decide eh. No matter how good the presentation is, no matter how I made it so enticing to you, I have 3 options. One is A, I want to become an affiliate member. Ayoko na mag-isip. Clear na sa akin. I want to become an affiliate member right now. So get back to the person who invited you, ask for their sponsors link, register there, tapos tuloy-tuloy mo na rin yung pagbabayad ng $49.95. Or I want to become a member. I want to enjoy the member's price. Pwede naman po. Instead of paying $49.95, just pay $9.95 and become a member. Or I want to become a retail customer. Yes, no problem with us. Ask for the shop link of the person who invited you. Doon ka na mamili. Alright? So just get back to the person who told you about Live Good and reserve your position today. Kasi yung reservation ng position, it's free. Punta lang po kayo sa sponsor link, register with your name and email. Meron na kang position na naka-reserve sa inyo. Hindi pa kayo kikita. Kasi you have to join first. And how do you join? You pay for your $49.95. And once you become a member, you get to enjoy the compensation plan. But right now, you can actually start your journey to your financial freedom and your time freedom. Become a Live Good affiliate today. All right? So that's it. That ends my presentation. But before...